Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Toy and today we are going to be making apple pie shake. So I got my Ninja here. Take that off, get this started. We're going to be using some apple juice, some applesauce. If you don't have the big one, I just use these little things. We are going to be using some condensed milk, some apple pie spice, and some ice. That's probably, yeah. So let's get started here. We're going to be, I got some condensed milk and this is a 14 ounce. I didn't get my garbage bowl, but I'm going to go ahead and pour all that in there. All this in there. And it is so creamy and thick. I'm gonna get all that stuff in there. I didn't get my garbage bowl. The garbage bowl. I'm going to keep running back and forth to the garbage. So we need 1 cup of applesauce. So I didn't want to buy the big one, so I said I'm just going to buy the small things. It was a better deal to buy the small ones. So if you use at least 3 of these, you should get at least 1 cup of that applesauce. And I had chilled this also, so it ain't coming out. Yep. Now put this in there also. All that stuff in there. I didn't have no money to buy some allspice pie because that costs close to $4. I'm only using a half a teaspoon. So what I did, I got a dash of allspice, some nutmeg, and cinnamon, and I mix all that stuff together, and that can be your apple. That can be your apple pie spice. And we're gonna do some a half a cup of apple juice. So we're going to turn this on. I'm going to put it in the drinks. we are going to be adding some ice. And I got 3 cups of ice that we're going to be adding. This is actual 4-cup measuring cup. So I'm not going to put all of it in here because the recipe only calls for 3 cups of ice. And we're going to blend that. It's almost ready, y'all. I think it is ready. I need some. And let's try it. I found this recipe in a cookbook that I always use my. Ooh, look how slushy it is. I can see that nutmeg and cinnamon and allspice in there. If you have some allspice, some apple pie seasoning at home, that spice, you can go ahead and use that. I didn't want to pay that much if I'm only using a small amount, so that's why I just made my little home. Look at that drink. Ooh, let's taste it. That is really good. This is my first time trying it. That is really good. This is an apple pie shake. That is good. Cheers to you. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video. Till then. Cheers.